sit there.
Oh, you want to sit there? I don't think so.
Yeah.
No.
You want?
Because you know touch.
Clock.
Clock.
Princess.
Princess.
It's my princess.
Oh, yeah, you think so? Who's this?
I know.
Is it Dolly?
Yeah, that's mine.
Who's this?
No, Flower Girl.
That's Flower Girl. Who's that?
That's mine. That's mine.
That Hatter?
Yeah.
Who's that?
What's that?
Who is that? Is that Scarecrow?
What is it? Scarecrow.
Scarecrow. Who's that?
This is mine and this is mine.
Who's that?
Coffee.
Tin Man?
Yeah, 10.
Who's that?
What's that?
That's Dorothy?
What?
Dorothy?
What's that?
That's Dorothy.
What's that?
Is it Munchkin?
What's that?
Princess?
What's that? Pumpkin.
Good job.
Hey, wait.
Teletubby?
What's that?
Cabbage Patch?
What's that?
Flowers.
Hey, you guys just, I'm gonna squeak on them.
Want to squeeze on them?
Yeah, I'm gonna squeak flowers.
Let's squeeze the flowers.
One more.
One more.
Yeah. Clock.
Clock.
This is right there.
Hmm.
Why?
Because.
My coat.
No, that's not your comb. I don't see a comb.
A clock. A princess. And what's it?
Dolly.
And what's it? That's mine. That's mine. What's that?
What's that?
Flower Girl. That's very mine. And what's that? What's that?
Who is it?
No, that's mine.
Is it Hatter?
Yeah.
Is it Hatter?
Her.
Yeah.
What? And what?
Where's the
That-
Scarecrow?
Yeah, that, right there.
Where's the Tin Man?
Yeah, that's mine. And that's, what's that?
Where's the Tin Man?
That's very mine. And what's that?
What is it? Is that the Tin Man?
That's the kid coffee.
That's a can of coffee?
Yeah.
Where's Dorothy?
What's it?
Who's the Munchkin?
Yeah. And what's that?
Is that a princess?
What's that?
Which one? Where's the pumpkin?
No pumpkin.
Not the pumpkin?
No. And what's this? What's it?
I have no idea.
That's very mine. That's
That's very
umbrella.
mine. That's
That's
very
what-
mine.
This